Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is the text, and it says reader application note. Okay, this is the content, and all these images are in that file. You say it says the file name is this, so you will see it in the zip file. You will see this also in the zip file. All these are the file names.
Okay.
And this is the link to the landing page.
Oh. Yes, I saw it. Here's the right landing page dot gateway bioscience.com. Okay.
Yeah. You got it?
Yes.
So you have to kind of at least create these 3 ads, but not exactly like this. You have to kind of turn them into a lead gen ad.
Yes.
So you have to go here, maybe create another ad. And then when it says Vax array, it should be Vax array. Then if you have to do Cyper one, then you have to create ads in Cyper one. And I want to start these kind of ads. I don't know if you can. Can you replicate this ad?
Yes, actually this ad is rejected.
Yeah, so we need to change it, right?
Oh.
So we have to see, you can view it and try to change it a little bit.
You mean that, I mean, I need to customize your rejected ads or new?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So whichever one is easier for you, but the thing is we need leads.
Oh.
And I know the one that I shared with you earlier, the Word document.
Yes.
This one, if you put the ads as is, the leads will not come in. This is something I tried.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's up to you if you how good you are. If you can change it, modify it, and see if the leads can come in.
Okay.
You can do it, Lakshman?
Yes.
I don't know.
I can do it. No problem.
I know it's a little complicated, and I know you have not done this before, so
yes.
it might.
Actually, I just realized your your strategy. Okay, so that's why I'm just.
That's fine. Take your time.
Yes.
But message me. Don't be scared. If you're stuck, ask me questions 10 million times. I'm very patient.
Okay, no problem. Actually, I want to ask one thing. Here's there are included 3 ads. Okay, so I need to customize these 3 ads or new campaign setup.
Only so this ad. Let me show you.
Okay.
This ad was the one. This ad that you can see, frustrated but inconsistent.
Yes.
If you look at the Word document, it was this one. I ran this ad, it ran, but you see only one lead came in. For $51, one lead is not good, so I paused it.
Okay, I mean,
it's not like it will not run.
Has required a customization, a super customization.
Okay, so do that then. Okay,
yes.
Do that, but don't leave these ads as is. Start your new ads with the new date on it.
Okay.
Okay, but you know what's going on in here? Let me show you one more time. She sent you 2 files. One has cipher 1.
Wax array.
One has the name wax array.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. And then the wax array ads should go here. The cipher 1 ads will go in cipher 1.
Okay.
Okay. So you should start new ads saying that lead gen September 30th. I think it would be October 1st for you, right?
Yes, October 1st.
So yeah, put the date October 1 so that I know which ads you started. And then you can either copy it, optimize it, whatever you want to do, you can do it.
Okay. Okay.
And then once you are good, I want you to become so good in these LinkedIn ads. Trust me, I have so much business to give you. People are pinging me left and right, but I only have 24 hours. I only sleep for 5 hours a day.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but it's like people are like, here's my money, Garima, run my ads. And I'm like, I don't know, there are not enough people in the world who know this art.
Okay, you have no problem.
You see, the problem, I don't know where to hire these people from. My problem is that. It's so if you are good at it, I'll give you a lot of business.
Oh.
But you have to start getting the leads from it. From those countries. And you have to continuously optimize it.
Okay.
Okay? So take a look. We already have campaign manager access to it. Can you check in your LinkedIn?
Yes, just a minute. I get your LinkedIn profile in my profile, okay, but I don't get the admin access.
You should go to Gateway Biosciences. You are there.
Actually, you need to send admin access from there.
No, I did.
Oh, okay. I'm just a refresh in my.
See, it says manage access. You are here.
Just a minute.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, campaign manager.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
I got it.
You have to log in into LinkedIn to know.
Yes. Okay, ma'am, no problem. And have any problem, I will contact with you. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Thank.
Okay, just message what's her name? Nancy.
Oh, okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sure. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.